Hello everyone, welcome to James Marketing Channel. Today's clip I will introduce to everyone, how do we use multiple Facebook accounts, for we're going to make friends and massive, with all the clients files potential customers, or to whom we want to be friends with. Our goal is to, when we go to make friends, we can go marketing, or invite people into our own group. I can scan out other groups' members, and scan the invitation into my group. I will show everyone the software that helps us manage without limits. Facebook account. Here you can see that I have 222 accounts. That and we can be automated. Go to this interaction or go. Complete the features of a Facebook account. It can change information or it can be automated. Go share articles, post, add friends and so on. And our goal of make friends. For example, people, when using Facebook. We want to pull members into the group for example. We want them on our team, we go make friends with them, and we will send a message, right? We send them a message inviting them in. Or we'll go into our group to invite them. Maybe invite a member to this group. That or we will. Well, send them a message to invite them to a group or to promote our products. When we do it by hand, we are sure the manual work. It will take time and not much quantities. I only have one account work at a time. That's why MKT Care software helps us do lots of accounts at once. And we can be automated managers. There are hundreds of accounts. Today I will introduce you to everyone, the part where we go automatically make friends. And, well, let's go make friends. There's so many ways we can make this friend. According to UID or follow a suggestion. So let's go to the software, and into the viral marketing section, to add friends to visit. And follow this. For example, I want to scan now. I want to make friends in a group like this. I will come here and make friends, right? Add this friend. I can add friends like this. But I don't want to do it manually. I can scan out all the members of this group. By MKT UID software. I already scanned a client file. Here. I have scanned it. I scan with MKT UID software. And now I'm going to copy all these UIDs. Let me go make friends. And I copied it into this software. People choose this UID. I will make friends according to UID. And I copied it here. Then I will choose the accounts to make friends. I have a lot of accounts. I have about 80 accounts. Give me 80 of these accounts to make friends. And the number of threads is the number of accounts running at the same time. The next thing we have is how many of friends we will made. I'll add 5 to 7 of UID here. One account will friend up to 5 to 7 people. And I'm not going to pasteurize you with this part. If everyone, I don't want these accounts make similar friends, we can omit that. The set is very simple. It's simple, and now I'm going to start. The software will automatically give the account to friends offline. Like I just exchanged, the purpose of making friends is to help us. The purpose of making friends will help us maybe go create a relationship with this customer, generate a large number of potential customers, and we'll be able to we can go send them automated messages. That will help us. Marketing and selling products is very effective. Now, everyone, let's see the software. And by everyone, see you guys in the following clips.